Sugar and its derivatives are true villains for our body and overall health. And if you were trying to lose weight, you probably already know that sugar is one of the biggest obstacles in that journey. However, removing it completely from your diet can be quite difficult since it is present in so many foods and is also responsible for sweetening many of our favorite drinks. But in this video, I'm going to show you 5 great substitutes for sugar that can help you make healthier choices without sacrificing taste. So make sure you stay until the end to learn how to fight this major dietary villain. 1. Stevia. Stevia is one of the most popular natural sweeteners used today, especially among people who want to cut calories or control blood sugar levels. It is derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant and is known for being extremely sweet, sometimes up to 200 to 300 times sweeter than regular sugar. One of the biggest advantages of stevia is that it contains 0 calories and does not raise blood glucose levels, making it an excellent option for people with diabetes or those following low-carb diets. Additionally, it is considered a natural alternative, unlike many artificial sweeteners. However, it's important to note that some people may find a slightly bitter aftertaste, depending on the brand or concentration. To get the best experience, try different versions, liquid, powder, or blends, and use it in beverages like coffee, tea, or even in homemade desserts. 2. Xylitol. Xylitol is a sugar alcohol that looks and tastes very similar to regular sugar, making it one of the easiest substitutes to incorporate into your daily routine. It is commonly extracted from natural sources like birchwood or corn. One of its main benefits is that it has fewer calories than sugar and a much lower glycemic index, meaning it has a smaller impact on blood sugar levels. This makes it a good option for people who want to reduce sugar intake without drastically changing the taste of their food. Another interesting advantage is that xylitol can help improve dental health by reducing the growth of bacteria that cause cavities. However, moderation is key. Consuming large amounts may cause digestive discomfort, and it is extremely toxic to dogs, so it should always be kept out of reach of pets. 3. Coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is made from the sap of coconut palm trees and has gained popularity as a more natural alternative to refined sugar. It has a caramel-like flavor that works especially well in baked goods, coffee, and desserts. One of its advantages is that it retains small amounts of nutrients like iron, zinc, calcium, and potassium, as well as antioxidants. It also has a slightly lower glycemic index compared to regular sugar, which means it may cause a slower rise in blood sugar. However, it's important to keep in mind that coconut sugar is still sugar. It contains calories and should be consumed in moderation. While it may be less processed, it is not a free pass to consume unlimited sweets. 4. Honey. Honey is one of the oldest natural sweeteners used by humans and is often seen as a healthier alternative to refined sugar. It contains trace amounts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants and has natural antibacterial properties. Its flavor can vary depending on the type of flowers the bees used, which can add a unique taste to your drinks and recipes. Honey is slightly sweeter than sugar, so you can often use less of it to achieve the same level of sweetness. Despite its benefits, honey is still high in calories and sugars, so portion control is essential, especially for those aiming to lose weight or manage blood sugar levels. For best results, try using raw or minimally processed honey and incorporate it into teas, yogurt, or as a topping for fruits. 5. Fruits. Fruits are one of the best natural ways to replace sugar in your diet. In addition to providing natural sweetness, they're packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Options like bananas, dates, apples, and berries can be used to sweeten smoothies, desserts, and even baked goods. For example, mashed bananas or date paste can replace sugar in cakes and pancakes, adding both flavor and nutritional value. The fiber present in whole fruits helps slow down the absorption of sugar in the body, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. This makes fruits a much healthier choice compared to refined sugar. The key here is to prioritize whole fruits instead of juices, as juices often lose fiber and concentrate sugar.
If you want to accelerate your weight loss even more, there is nothing better than using a good support supplement. And with Citrus Burn, you can achieve excellent results in much less time. Citrus Burn is a 100% natural supplement designed to work in harmony with your body. It combines 7 rare herbs and other powerful ingredients that together provide several benefits, such as increased calorie burning, improved feeling of fullness, body detox support, and much more. If this caught your attention, the links will be available in the video description and also in the first pinned comment. Start maximizing your weight loss today.
Cutting down on sugar doesn't mean you have to give up the sweetness you enjoy every day. By choosing smarter alternatives like stevia, xylitol, coconut sugar, honey, and fruits, you can take an important step toward improving your health, boosting your energy, and even supporting your weight loss goals. The key is balance and awareness. Start small. Replace sugar in your coffee. Test new ingredients in your recipes, and gradually train your palate to enjoy more natural flavors. Over time, these simple changes can make a huge difference in how you feel and how your body responds. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these sugar substitutes are you already using, or which one are you excited to try first? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss tips like this that can transform your health. And share this video with someone who needs to cut down on sugar, because taking care of your health is always better together.